What's up, guys? This is Derek Howes with the Protein Chef. If you're in a rush to kill that sweet tooth, this Rocky Road protein dip might just do the trick. It only takes around 5 minutes, so let's jump right into it. Take out a food processor or really powerful blender, then add in 16 ounces or 454 grams of drained and rinsed reduced sodium chickpeas, 3 teaspoons or 12 grams of light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons or 27 grams of coconut flour, 3 scoops or 90 grams of a chocolate protein powder, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract, 3 tablespoons or 15 grams of cocoa powder, 3 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and 2 tablespoons or 12 grams of marshmallow fluff. Process or blend all of those ingredients together. After around 30 seconds, stop, add in 1 ounce or 28 grams of mixed nuts, then pulse it a few times. Next, add your dip into a bowl, then eat it with a spoon or some low-fat graham crackers. And there is your Rocky Road protein dip. 3 substitutes for this recipe: any other white bean or black beans instead of chickpeas, oat flour instead of coconut flour, and regular milk or any other milk substitute instead of almond milk. As far as the calories go in the whole recipe, there's 1,229, 29 grams of fat, 125 grams of carbs, and 117 grams of protein. Now, if you portion this out into 10 servings like I do, there are your calories per serving for that. A couple quick tips. 1, this will last in the fridge around 5 to 7 days. 2, you can use it as a topping or even as a sandwich bread. It tastes great with peanut butter. And 3, if you put this in the freezer for around 30 to 40 minutes, it'll have a texture close to ice cream. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, smash that thumbs up button. Other than that, everything in moderation, and of course, stay healthy.